Good morning. Let's get it. Scrappy scrap. Just picked up this TV and a old ceiling fan. Hey. Yeah. It's like a speaker, boombox. No thanks. It's gonna be a beautiful morning. Hey. Oh, it already comes in a bucket. Why, thank you. Hoo. Shoo, shoo. Hoo. Yuck. Thing I got a half gallon of sanitizer in my truck. Nasty stuff. Some Cheney Link. Ooh. There we go. That. This. And there we go. We're done. That's plastic. Oops, another scratch. Still gonna be a beautiful morning out. Oh yeah. Guys, like, you take a flat screen TV? I said, only if it's got a metal back. Yeah. Cool. 2007 Panasonic high def plasma. Get some goodies in there. And less plastic. Steel is the meal. Aluminum. Take that. Aluminum. Oh, old sander. Rockwell. Nailer. Oh yeah. Steel, aluminum, cast. Yeah. Anything good in the fishing box? Not much. Rattle. Yeah, that's a good one. Rusty hooks. Some bobbers. So my fingers are out of the way. Oh, there's the good hooks. Circles. Yeah, we'll take these. Oh yeah. Not circle, but oh yeah. Those are good. Yeah, not much. Oh, this is a keeper box. Ooh. Hey, running out of room. Oh, that'll work. What's in the bag? Is this a dye bag? Nope, it's a beer bag. Budweiser. There you go, Palmer. This Bud's for you. More Christmas. We're filling her up. Got the flag hung up. Oh man. Quack, 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 quack. See ya. Bye. One more. See ya. 1 yard chicken. 1 yard chicken. Piece of extrusion. Piece of brass ends. Piece of metal. Got a cord, sweet. Zinc. Another cord, well, cord in. Plug in. Let me get my cutters, I'll cut the ends off. Oh, there's one more right here. Ah! Might be brass. I'll take this molding. I have a lady friend that does crafts work. And if she don't want it, then it'll go to the burn pile. But I'm pretty sure she'll want it. She does some incredible stuff from just the basics. Just the bare basics, and turns around and makes good money. Good money that I should not even be scrapping no more. I should just do what she does. But she's got the eye that I don't have. I think that's enough for now. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, we'll take that. Ooh, I almost tripped and bust my butt. They already broke it down. Sweet. Oh, no magnetron, just the shell and a transformer. Watch your hands. 50-50, who knows? What's this? Phone wire. That's it. Ain't much in here. Ain't much in here. Pardon me. Microwave? Yep. Office manager's like, I'll put steel on the bench or on the side of the dumpster and you come and grab it.
Hey, look who's back!
Hey, Dumpster Jerry, were you here already? Oh, man. That's too funny. I wonder what came in here for all them solenoids. Solenoids. But I like that old style drill. I don't know, something about the older tools. Even if it don't work, I still think they're cool looking. Old floor scrubber. Didn't pull the motor out. Oh well. I see copper in the strut pile. Don't understand why, but I don't know. Do you see it? Boom! Over $3 a pound, and it's in the 8-cent department. Empty enough. We got these pipes to pick up now. Oh, I so would like to be on the water, but let's work first. 8-foot bed, and you don't have a 20-foot long trailer or an 18-foot long trailer. You take the pipe here. Ow. You go underneath the truck, about halfway. Grab it right there on the bumper. If you don't have a bumper, well, you gotta look. But if you only have that little 2-inch hitch, be careful, because you slip off and you're going forward, your head's going right for the tailgate. Alright, let's unload it. Alright, what do we would it pay? Looks, there we go. Let's see, light iron 520 pounds for 8 cents a pound, 41.6. Recovery wire, 40%. You know, basic cords that come off fans and whatnot. 8 pounds for $1, $8. Son. Stainless steel, 8 pounds, 75 cents for $6. Aluminum mold sheet, 5 pounds for 50 cents for $2.50. Electric motor, 10 pounds, 22 cents for $2.20. That was the transformer. Cool. Then light ironing aluminum, 8 pounds, 18 cents for $1.44. For a total of, focus, $61.74. And I got another one. The pipe, the pipe off the fencing. Let's see here. Hold on. There we go. Light iron, $2.80. Wow, look at that. 9 cents a pound. It went up. Sweet. 280 pounds for $25.20, and that's the total. All right, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share me out, and check out my friends on the steering wheel. And have a good day. Spring is right around the corner. Yay!